A painter must paint. An author must write. How do we define what is our purpose? Frogs eat the grasshoppers. But we have to choose our own purpose. Not me. You.
Oh, okay. Let's have
What are we doing on the water, right?
Okay, let's go do it on the water. You have time now? You want to let's put your backpack inside.
Hey, you know, this morning I was up and I was thinking about evolution of humanity, or evolution of species. In this whole virus that is this living thing on this earth, it just makes good sense. I don't know how nature figured it out, but we're all different because we're in a constantly moving, changing world. It's never the same. So every one of us is born mixed up, tossed up different from the guys who come before. Imagine what happened when we first stepped out of the trees. One of the guys in the trees, one of the apes said, you know what, I'm done with this tree stuff. I'm going for a walk. Who's coming with? So a few radicals went for a walk, right? And then some guy said, hey, you know, what are we going to do? Now we can do what we want, be what we want, eat whatever we want. Hey man, look, if you're not happy with the freedom to choose, up in the trees with the chimps. So I think that's where we are right now. We have the choice to do what we want. You can have what you want. You can be what you want. It's all achievable. Or you can live with the chimps. How do we define what is our purpose? I mean, bees chase honey, birds chase mosquitoes and flies and bugs, and grasshoppers keep the weeds down. Frogs eat the grasshoppers. They all have a cycle. But we have to choose our own purpose. Not me. You need to choose your own purpose. My purpose is not the same as my father's or my uncle's or even my brother's. My purpose, I get to choose. Most of us don't even ask that question. But as Maxwell Maltz said, if a man is to have happiness, he must find his purpose and pursue that purpose. A painter must paint. An author must write. A gardener must sow the weeds and the soil and create life from the dust. So the thing is, now that you've fallen out of the trees, go find your purpose. Go for a walk. Go and find it. It's really up to you, right? So anyway, that's it for today. Good luck. See you at the top. I'm Kevin.
Hey, good morning, Kevin.
Good morning. Good morning, Chang. How are you?
Okay.
Just doing a 2-minute video.
Okay.
One sec.